Why does cough stop instantly after taking cough syrup? Let us understand this in 30 seconds. Doctors use a group of medicine called antitussive. These medicines suppress the cough reflex. There are two main types of antitussives. First, centrally acting drugs, and second is peripherally acting drugs. So in centrally acting drugs, they work in the brain and reduces cough signals. Example, dextromethorphan and codeine. In peripherally acting drugs, they work directly on the respiratory tract. For example, benzonatate. But these medicines can have side effects like drowsiness, nausea, and dizziness. So next time you take cough syrup, remember it's actually blocking your cough reflex. Follow for more quick medical concepts in 30 seconds. Thank you.